All right, so I'm going to be talking about what we're going to do regarding the review panel here. So what we have here is the existing review panels with S. Um, Today we have pending comments and finished review. This opens up a list of your comments here. And if you click on these things, it takes you somewhere. It takes you to where the comment is. And then over here is finished review, which opens up this panel. What I'm planning to do is reorganize this so that all the actions are at the top of the page. And with that, how we may introduce a panel to combine both of these things so that you don't have this scenario where you have like two primary buttons visible and trying to streamline the whole experience. So what that looks like is something like this, where in this scenario, I've left 4 comments in my review. Click on this. It says submit pending review as my drawer. Based on feedback, these are now explicit radio buttons with icons so that it correlates the action to the state that we have for approvals. So you can comment, request changes, and approve. And then your pending comments are down here. So if you click continue review, it just closes the review. This allows you to delete, discard the pending review. And then there's this optional summary comment. We're using the same pattern that we use for the reply in comments. And the idea we're doing here is that by not showing this by default, we're not overwhelming the UI, because right now you can see like there's a lot of stuff going on. If we keep it collapsed, but as a text box, it's still visible, and those who want to leave a summary comment can do so. Inside here would be the actions related to AIs, such as summarizing code changes. But here is like the review panel. It's just an updated look and feel for this. For this first iteration, I'm okay with not doing that timeline with the little dots. I think there's further exploration needed around the refinement of what we're actually trying to do there. So I think for now, this is what we'll do. And you can submit and review. This next step shows what submit review may look like if we combine this with the next review concept. So submit review. So your review is submitted, and now it suggests you to select another merge request to review. So these are review requests that you've done, and the look and feel is very similar to the MR homepage. You can select from one of these, and that will take you to the next merge request, or you can click on this to take you to the MR homepage itself. In the scenario where you finished all your reviews, it would look something like this, where you don't have any more reviews, you have no more review requests, and you can click on this to take you to the MR homepage. So you could tackle your assigned reviews, assign merge requests, So yeah, this is how this kind of experience could work with the panel. Thank you.